emus, goannas, kangaroos.
If you don't stop and take a look around every once in a while, you'll miss it.
We were up there! G'day, I'm Maddie and this is Mitch. And we're currently roaming around Australia in our van, surfing, diving and living slowly inspired by nature. Subscribe to join us on our adventure every week. Good morning. We are now down on the Eyre Peninsula. We're in the Port Lincoln National Park. It's so peaceful and relaxing. There's literally not a sound except for the water, the breeze and birds. I think we're just gonna have a super relaxing day, just really take it slow because we've been so busy. Like, we've had to do a lot of errands over the last couple days and we didn't want to film that because it was just boring. This little shelf that someone's obviously put here. When people go for a walk, they find cool stuff like little artifacts on the beach and they put it on the shelf. How sweet is that? Everyone gets to look at all the different cool things rather than taking it home for yourself. They put them here and it looks like a little museum of beautiful marine artifacts.
This sun looks pretty cool. Looks like a longboard fin.
So this is all shallow section. We came down here last night and there was a little bit of water covering this area, and then where it goes like that really distinct dark line, it's all seagrass, like the thickest seagrass beds I've ever seen. Wow, look at that!
Wow, you can see here the seagrass is just a thick line all along. You can't really notice it from far back, but look at that there, all the seagrass. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
It's very healthy. Seagrass is actually amazing. It's actually a flowering plant, so it's more related to the trees on the land than seaweed in the ocean. So it's not actually seaweed, it's actually a true flowering plant that lives in the ocean, and it has so many amazing benefits. It's an important nursery ground and habitat for many different fish and other species. It also absorbs a lot of carbon from the atmosphere and stores it, so it's a carbon sink. It also generates a lot of oxygen, so it's amazing. We love seagrass and we need to protect it. Whoa.
There you go, here's a decent crab claw.
That is decent, isn't it?
Oh, we should go chuck that up on the shelf. Look at that.
Found some new cool things to put on the shelf. Got a big crab claw and a polychaete worm, but it's all dried up. Put that there.
Beautiful.
Today's office location, pretty good. We really haven't been doing a lot today. We've just been sitting here enjoying this view and just doing a bit of stuff on the laptop, so it's been really nice. It's smoothie time. We bought this portable blender that plugs into a USB socket and it's been a game changer. On the menu this afternoon we've got a cacao, banana, peanut butter. These bananas are perfect, nice and brown and spotty. Bit of cacao for that afternoon sweet. Chia seeds. Peanut butter, of course, our favourite thing in the world. How good is this? Oh wow! Into our glass. Here you go.
Oh, thanks. Beautiful. That same colour as the cup. Mmm.
Good?
So good.
Being able to have smoothies in the van is the biggest game changer.
For dinner tonight, we've got a rice paper roll bowl, or a rice paper bowl. Such an easy meal. You only have to cook the rice noodles and the tofu and just chop everything up, and it tastes so good. Yum. How good does that look?
So good. Perfect summer dinner.
The next morning we caught up with Anth and Kate, our mates we met on the York. We headed down to the boat ramp, hoping to take their tinny out on the water.
So we just went down to the boat ramp and it's blowing so hard, straight onshore, so it's way too windy to get the tinny out there. We're gonna go over to the other side of the national park where it looks a bit more protected. So we're just going to go for a bit of an explore, and we might go, I don't know, go for a fish, go for a swim, just enjoy this weather.
How good does that look? Oh, how's that?
The conditions on the other side of the national park was so much nicer. We decided to jump in the troopy and head through the dunes to the beach.
Oh my God! Looks amazing. Yeah, I reckon. Probably be waves. Down there. Oh, look at that right down there. Oh, tubes. What do you think of this beach, Mads?
Insane.
There's a little left breaking out there. We might try and surf.
Mitch, Anth and Kate have gone for a surf. It's a bit too big for me. So I'm just gonna play in the rock pools instead. Some nice little deep parts where you can go for a little bit of a swim and the water's so warm. Oh, there's Anth. Oh, some not bad waves out there. But yeah, this is such a sick spot. There's no one else around. Plunge pool. Oh, this is perfect. Mussels growing on the rocks. And these little snails are called periwinkles.
We had a bit of trouble getting back through the soft sand, but we eventually worked our way out with a little bit of help from the Max Tracks. I will go again.
Oh, hello there.
Hello.
Oh, having a munch. So we've booked a night at Yangi Bay campsite in the Coffin Bay National Park. There's already so much wildlife. We've seen emus, goannas, kangaroos, so many different native birds. It's like a bird sanctuary here.
That's awesome.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Here's our site. Here's our friends.
You look a bit shocked, Kate.
Cheese platter!
Girls.
Woo!
Delicious.
I got shell and shit, yeah.
everybody. So we've been having a look on Google Maps and we found this cool little beach, or like some dirt road that just is by the coast. So we're following it, and it's a I'd almost argue that it should be for 4-wheel drives, but we're giving it a crack.
Yeah. I don't think the video will do it justice. We've gone past the worst of it.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully we can find the others.
Oh, true. We don't have service.
Yeah.
We just told our friends to meet us here. But we were just saying the best spots are just the random dirt roads that you follow and just see where you end up.
Oh, this is it.
Oh, this is it.
Oh my God. Yeah, the weather has not been in our favour lately, which is a shame, but it is getting better soon. It's just windy. Very windy. Woo! Alright, now we're gonna go find Kate and Anth. We just found them. They're way up on a track up there. We can only barely see them, so we'll have to go and chase them down.
At least we know they're close by. We found them.
That was a close one.
That spot wasn't the best, so we're going to keep cruising along, and we found another cool spot that's hopefully a bit more protected from the wind. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. So when we talk about hard days on the road, we just pulled up what we thought was an awesome spot, blowing a gale. We have got sand all over the bench and all over our food while we're trying to cook lunch. Went for a paddle on the logs. It was a bit of fun. And now we're gonna go for a hike up the top of this massive hill. Up there. I think it only takes like half an hour to get up there, but it should be fun. The wind's coming now, so there's not that much else to do. Gonna go for a walk?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's hike, baby.
Yeah. Oh.
Wow!
This is gonna be a sick view. Nah.
We're gonna go there. Damn.
Keeps going way up there. Track's getting very less defined. Oh, how's this? Right, nearly at the top. Oh, that's the top up there.
Woo!
Good, top.
Yeah, literally.
There's been like 3 false tops of the hill. We keep seeing the top, and we get over there, and then keeps going. It keeps going up.
Never ending mountain.
Oh, that's definitely top. It's gotta be. What?
Holy moly.
Are you joking?
What?
You wait. Oh, you're kidding.
No way.
We thought we were so close. We were like, nah. It is never ending.
Oh.
So we camped just down there last night, and that's where we surfed.
Oh my god.
What do you think, Mads?
Amazing. So nice.
It's 308 metres high.
Feels way higher.
Yeah. Woo! We did it!
Everett's done. Imagine I just fell. Yay!
Oh, I just fell off. Beautiful view.
Now we have to go all the way back down.
Yeah.
Pretty sick view looking down.
Yeah, it is.
Mitch, what metaphor have you just come up with today while we were hiking?
If you don't stop and take a look around every once in a while, you'll miss it.
Yeah.
That's life.
That's the wisdom of the day.
That's life.
And, yeah, life.
Oh.
Ow. Scratch myself. How's that view?
Beautiful.
We were up there. Woo! Now it's time for lunch. We are starving.
Oh, so hungry. Woohoo! So we just climbed all the way up to the top of that. Started there, all the way up.
Just kept going and going, and we thought we'd reach the top, and then we'd have to keep going. But it was so sick. Amazing.
Surf in the morning and then a hike and now lunch.
And it's Kate's birthday.
Yeah.